Today's writing, you need your scrambled sentences packet. We're going to pull the very first page off. It says back to school on the front. You're going to pull that off, and this is the one we're using today. This can go back in your writing folder. We will use it a different day. You also need glue. Glue stick will work, a pencil, some crayons, and some scissors. Okay. So the first thing you are going to do is you're going to cut along this black line right here, and we're going to cut out our words. So I'm going to cut along the black line, and I'm going to cut out the words. So I have the word, actually I could cut along all these lines. And I have the word to, the word like, the word read, the word books, and the word I. So our sentence is going to say, I like to read books. Can you make it say that up here? I like to read books. I like to read books with an exclamation point. We're doing it very excited. I like to read books. Now I'm going to put a dot. I'm not using a lot of glue, and if you have a glue stick, you can just put a little smudge, not a big blob. Or if you have this kind of glue, you're just going to put a little dot. I'm going to glue it on so it doesn't fall off. Like to read books. Now, if you are a kindergartner, you can copy this sentence over. I like to read books with an exclamation point. If you are a first grader, I want you to change it a tiny bit. I want you to say, I like to, what do you like to do at school? I like to do math. I like to learn about science. Whatever you like to do in school, you're going to write a sentence about that. Kindergartners can do that as well, or kindergartners can just copy this sentence. When you're writing your sentence, you're going to make sure that you're doing the editing checklist. You start with a capital letter, you have punctuation, a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point at the end, and you have finger spaces between your words. So I am going to say, I do. I like to read books. I actually love to read books, but I also love math and science. So I think I'm going to write that. Now, you're not going to copy me. You're going to think about what you like at school. Maybe you like the art. Maybe you like reading. Maybe you like science, whatever you like. You could write, I love, or I like to, I love, and I'm putting finger spaces between my words, to learn about numbers. And I'm going to end mine with an exclamation point. Now, I do not want you to write, I love to learn about numbers. That's my sentence. You're writing your own, or if you're a kindergartner, you can copy this one on the top. But you're making sure you start with uppercase, you have punctuation at the end, and you have finger spaces between your words. When you're done, you can draw a picture about what you like to do at school. Have fun. Bye for now.